Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SQL Server engine and SSMS installed, and administrative access. Once done, open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP so remote or local clients can connect. Make sure the SQL service is restarted after changes. Next, jot the server instance name and port, localhost /SQL Express or server name 1433, because you'll use it in SSMS Connect. Now you configure authentication and attempt the connection. You must decide. Windows authentication uses your current account. SQL authentication requires a SQL user and password. Once decided, open SSMS, enter the server name, choose the authentication type, and enter credentials. If you need SQL authentication, enable mixed mode in the server properties under Security and restart the service. After that, press Connect and watch for success. If it fails, note the exact error to guide the next steps. Finish by verifying network and login details so the connection is stable. Make sure the Windows Firewall or Network Firewall allows port 1433 or your custom port. Once open, test the connection with SSMS or SQLCMD and run a simple query like select DB name to confirm a valid session. If anything goes wrong, check these three things first: TCP/IP enabled, firewall port open, and correct credentials, then restart the SQL service. That quick check resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.